Hi there, I'm back with a new tutorial on the Korg EMX, and I want to talk about pattern editing in this video. And I have made a pattern that I want to play to you. This consists of 4 bars. And now when I say editing a pattern, I mean changing the pitch of a region of this pattern, and I played around with the real-time transpose function, and I found a nice transpose change happening on the first step of bar 3, and then it sounds like this. I want to have the pitch drop down on the first step of bar 3, and I do so by pressing. This is real-time transpose. You press down the solo button, and in this case I have to use a combination of a step key and an arrow key, because when I want 7 steps down, this is always the original pitch. It's always in C, and then when you have something that goes to another place somewhere that isn't shown in the bar that you're on, then you have to use the arrow key. So arrow key down means 1 full octave, and then 5 steps up again until you reach -7. Okay, so that's how real-time transpose works. I had this change happening on bar 3 every time, and this is a 4-bar loop, and this got boring after a little while, and so I thought maybe it would be even cooler to make this an 8-bar loop and have the transpose change only on bar 7 and 8. So this would be bar 5 now, 6, and now this would be 7 and 8, and then I wanted to go back up. That's what I want to have in a fully edited pattern. Okay, so what I need to do is change the length to 8, and then isolate a region in which this transpose change should happen. So now what I need to do is move data, take all the parts, also the accent parts, and move them until I have the part that I want to edit on bar 1. So I just want to move all the events 2 bars up, and then I can change the length to 2 and now only edit these 2 bars. I use Shift Note for all the synth parts, and now I want these events to drop down 7 steps in pitch. So now I have a pattern consisting of only 2 bars. Okay, but now, since I've only edited these 2 bars, I can now bring the rest of the pattern back in, change the length again to 8, and now it'll start with the edited parts. Now the pitch goes back up. But since I want this to happen not on 1 and 2, but on 7 and 8, I have to use move again. Move everything back for 2 full bars. Now in a loop, when I go -2 full bars, everything that was on 1 and 2 will now be on 7 and 8 when I confirm. And I do so, and now I have a fully edited pattern with a pitch change on 7. Now Okay, and now I can decide whether I want to have this on pattern space B61 and overwrite this pattern, or write this to another pattern space, like maybe the next one. Now I have two versions, one 4-bar loop and one 8-bar loop. That sounds like you just heard. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.